Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to compress video without losing quality. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for a free program called HandBrake. Make sure to download it from the official website. The file is around 20 megabytes. After downloading, open the installer and install the software. Once installed, launch HandBrake. You can open a single video file by browsing to its location. After selecting your video, you will see several preset options at the top. Choose a preset like 1080p 30 frames per second or any other you prefer. Keep the format set to MP4 since it is easy to open. Under video settings, choose constant frame rate. This keeps the video smooth and consistent. Next, click Start Encode and wait for the process to finish. You will notice a large reduction in file size, sometimes up to 4 times smaller, without losing noticeable quality. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.